How's it going, everybody? My name's Eric, and in this video, I'm selling an Xbox on Facebook Marketplace. I paid $50 for this one. It was having boot issues. I changed the hard drive and reinstalled the operating system, and it was good. And now I'm meeting up with some kid for $225 is what my asking price was. He was the second person to message me on Facebook. He actually just messaged me right now. He's 15 minutes away. He's actually showing up. I'm very surprised because it's almost 10 o'clock at night. We are meeting outside of a Best Buy because it's well lit. There's a lot of foot traffic, and I think there's a lot of cameras around here because there's a lot of inventory in the Best Buy. And if he tries to lowball me, I'll just be like, yo, go into Best Buy, you're gonna have to pay $300 to get your Xbox. I'm gonna get this thing hooked up in the back. I'll throw the camera on when he shows up and you guys will see the transaction. So this is what the setup is looking like. We got the Xbox One S with the controller. We got the TV hooked up to a Yeti Goal Zero Yeti 400. And I hope he likes Aliens 3 because that's what we're gonna watch. Ugh. I bet you've never seen one of these before. Well, you got to see that it works, right? Oh, yeah, but that's... Okay. So the main thing that happens with them is, you know, they like don't read discs or whatever. So
I don't buy discs anymore.
DVD. No. It's 2 terabyte. I can show you guys that.
That's not seeing that now. You're good. Here you go. There's your 225.
Right.
That's for sure then, for certain.
So yeah, plays a disc just in case you want to watch a DVD.
Okay, that works.
Let me go to settings, system storage. 1.6. I mean, you know how they use with like files and whatnot, but there's 2 in there. For whatever reason, it comes up.
The one I have currently is like the 500 gig. It works. So.
Gotcha. 140, 80, 25. The kid that contacted me right before you, he's gonna be mad. Yeah. Because I was like, yo, if you don't meet up tonight, man, it's not gonna happen. Oh, sorry.
You want to keep your film? Yeah, I was like, you look your film. That's your film.
Turn that
take the remote. Yeah.
Actually, isn't there a way to like turn it off the right way?
No, you could just.
You sure?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I didn't know if it cuts it out or whatever.
Yeah, no, I'm not too picky about my consoles, but this is a nice setup, honestly. I need this micro. I have a Jetta and it'll fit in the trunk.
HDMI, power supply.
Okay.
Straight, man. You got the remote. Dude, thanks for meeting up, man. Yeah. You'd just be surprised. Like, I'm so glad I don't have to get like a million messages now because everyone's gonna hit me up.
Appreciate you, bro.
Yeah, dude. Thanks for meeting up tonight. It's cool.
Alright, good night, bro.
Later. Good night. And we got it. Ooh, just like that. 225, baby. Ugh. I am so surprised. The kids like don't even want to test the consoles. They're so trusting in me. It's insane. It is absolutely insane. These kids do not care to like test the console. I'm there, I'm like trying to show it to them. Hey, it plays a DVD. Hey, this is what the storage is. He's like, hey, whatever. But another successful sale. We got 225. Homie did not negotiate at all. He's the second person that contacted me and he already got it. Market sold on Facebook Marketplace. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please give the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions about flipping stuff or Facebook Marketplace or whatever, put them in the comment section and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.
Thank you.